Guys, welcome back to my channel. I know, barefaced today. Today we're going over my favorite masks. And my current mask that I'm using, wearing makeup every day is exhausting and it's not good for your skin. You have to make sure you get rid of all of it before you start looking old and crusty. So we're just gonna go over my current favorite masks, how I apply them, and my skincare routine after. So if that's what you want to see, keep on watching. And before you continue, stop trying to play me. Hit that subscribe button, that like button, and share. We're not going to keep doing this. We're not. Because I can see the stats. Half of you that watch are not subscribed. And I don't understand. I thought we were building that relationship, that bond. I thought we had something special. So I'm going to need you guys to get it together. Because I'm trying to get it together for you. I can't do this by myself. If you want to see how I apply these masks, keep on watching. Before I zoom you guys open my grill, my current favorite masks are the Formula 10.0.6. This is really great. They have a few. I have 3 here. They're very inexpensive. This big size, this is the normal sizing, so the travel sizes. This runs about $6.99. And I do get these from ULTA. They have so many. They even have moisturizers, a whole skincare line. But I really like these masks. I do really enjoy them. This one is Take Back Control Oil Controlling Mud Mask. So that's good for me. My skin is very oily in my T-zone. So I do appreciate this. But right now it's freezing. It's winter. My skin has been honestly, it's been very dry. And I still have some dark marks from me picking at my face, even though I shouldn't. It is what it is. This one is the Get Your Glow On Skin Brightening Peel Mask. And I did use this first. Don't worry, it's not one of those masks that actually hurt. They don't. This is very nice and it smells very good. This one doesn't tingle, but let me tell you, these two, whew. Okay, this is Pores Be Pure. This is a skin clarifying mud mask as well. It's also a mud mask. And it says on the back, it does, because I found out the hard way. I just applied it like a regular mask, my face started burning. I was like, what is this? My face is really my skin is sensitive. So that, that was not fun. But then it actually says on the back, and I read it to you, it says, caution, a mild tingling or heating sensation is normal upon application of this mask. They lie. It burns. Doesn't tingle at all. It burns. So please keep that in mind. So before you apply any mask, it's always good, you have to go in with a clean base. So I just went ahead and used my normal skincare routine. I used my Clarisonic, Mia 2, and my Effaclar. This is 2% salicylic acid. My face has been breaking out. I don't know what's going on. I just don't know. I don't know if it's stress, life, my period, whatever. I'm not with it. I can't stand it. So I just did that. Didn't put any moisturizer down because we're going to put the mask on. So I think I'm actually going to use the Pores Be Gone Skin Clarifying Mud Mask today. And I just have a little synthetic brush that I got from a different mask that I kept. I believe this was the Zombie Pack mask, where literally like it's tightening, so it closes your pores. But I kept this brush. It's really good. I've had it for like years, so that helps. So I'm just going to go ahead and zoom you guys into my face to go ahead and apply this mask. Alright, so again, I'm going to go in with these Pores Be Pure Skin Clarifying Mud Mask. I don't know if I said this, but the travel size is $2.99 and the full size is $6.99. So it's still really inexpensive and it is at Ulta. I'm just going to go ahead, open this up. Again, make sure you're starting with a clean base and dry. So I'm just going to apply it right to my brush. It does smell really good. It smells like, it has strawberry and yarrow. I don't know what the hell yarrow is, but it smells good. So I'm just going to start with my forehead because it's massive. Ooh. Go around the brows. This is a mud mask, so you can go on the brows, it's fine. Not like a damn peel mask where you'll lose your eyebrows, your life, and your faith in the Lord. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply that all over. So we're back. I look ridiculous. My face is really stiff, so I sound crazy. If you see all these little cracks, it's because I've been talking and eating. My face does feel really tight, so this is completely dried. Honestly, it did take about like 30 minutes. There does appear to be like little spots. I think it's just excess product that looks like it hasn't completely dried down, but it is dry to the touch all over. So I'm just gonna go ahead and rinse this off with some warm water and a washcloth and come back and moisturize this face, because right now it's feeling crazy. It's tight and I can't even move it. Be right back. So now that the mask is on, I just wanted to show you guys how I'm finished. Don't worry about any streaks, it'll dry down. You're just gonna wanna leave it on for about, it says 10 to 15 minutes, but in all honesty, it's about 20 minutes. So keep that in mind. And it's already starting to tingle. It burns. You do get used to it, it's not so terrible. Out of the travel size, I do still have some in here. I've already used it. I want to say you get about 3 uses out of this, which is really good for $2.99 because they're really good quality masks. And of course you have more. This is a lot. This is, how many ounces? This is 1 ounce, so that's 30 mLs, and this is 3.400 mL. So just keep that in mind. But again, $6.99, $2.99, and you don't have to use masks all over your face. Just like this one, just like the oil controlling mud mask. Can't even speak. This one, since I'm oily in my T-zone, I wouldn't use this over my whole face. I would mostly just use this in my T-zone. So you can keep that in mind, or you can go over your whole face just to close up the pores. Just control that oil. But that's completely up to you. And the same for any peel mask. You don't have to use it all over your face. You can use it in targeted areas. I do feel like because the peel mask is thinner, you do get a little bit more uses of this, where you get about 3. I think you could have maybe even twice that. I'm gonna say maybe 4 to 5. I'm not gonna say 6. We're not gonna drag it. I don't know the size of you guys' faces or y'all's forehead, because this forehead, girl, whew, it ain't it. But so I'm just gonna go ahead, let this sit on, go wash my Golden Girls, and I'll come back to show you when it's completely dried down. Now that that's completely washed off, I did use warm water and a washcloth just to get all of it off. My skin does feel very soft. It does still smell very good. Whatever that yarrow shit is, I like it. Whenever I wash my face or cleanse my face, I just go in, if I can get it out, with a cotton round and my witch hazel. You can use any brand. I always use the Dickinson's witch hazel. That's my go-to. They do also sell the Dickinson witch hazel round. It just comes in a container. They're pre-soaked and it's great for travel. So I'm gonna go ahead and go over my whole face with that. And it does really, for me, it does make a difference whenever I do any cleansing, any skincare. I feel like my pores are smaller. It does the face good. Alright, and after that's done, it dries pretty quickly. Don't want to use too much. I go in with my Mario Badescu spray. My facial spray, this has aloe, cucumber, and green tea. They have a bunch of them. They have rose water. This one is just my favorite. I'm just gonna go ahead and spray all over the face. I don't have my fan. It broke, so moment of silence for that. Whew, sorry. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use my hands and let it air dry. Once my Mario Badescu spray is dry, I do go ahead and use a moisturizer. Now, you can use any moisturizer that you like. I'm not going anywhere, so I'm gonna be in the house. I'm just gonna go in with my Dr. brand sleep mask, the Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. It's very hydrating and I love it. On a day-to-day when I'm going to work, because again my face is oily, I do go in with the Formula 10.0.6 Seriously Shine Free mattifying oil-free moisturizer. It has aloe vera and bamboo, and I do love this. This is also $6.99, so I'm guessing they're that's just what I purchased. I know they have other deals in brands, not brands, they have deals in sets that you can get together. Again, this is $6.99 as well, so maybe a little bit more expensive. They have a lot of products. I'm just gonna link the brand down below with the ULTA, and if they have a store, I'll link that as well. But it's a very inexpensive, very nice, and this does immediately mattify, and it does It does work well with my primers and my foundation, so I do love this. But today I'm just gonna go in with that sleep mask that's hella hydrating, because usually after mask my face feels dry. It doesn't feel dry right now. It does still feel very nice, so I do love that. I'm just gonna apply this a nice size all over my face. I'm just gonna work that in. We're all moisturized, and that's pretty much it, guys. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Again, this is featuring the masks by Formula 10.0.6. Really inexpensive. I did get mine at Ulta. Again, the travel size is $2.99. The large size is $6.99. They have a bunch of great skincare products, so I definitely recommend you check them out. They're really inexpensive, and I just love how they make your face feel. Keep in mind that little tingling that they warn you about. Nope, don't get got like I got. It burns, so just be mindful of that. But it's only your first application. It does go away, and your face does look really, really nice after. This one is the peel mask. It does not hurt. It's not like that charcoal mask that will pull out your hairs from your eyebrows, your mustache, and your sideburns. I'm hairy. That is a dangerous mask, and you can use these in just targeted areas as well. I'm ready for bed. I'm gonna find a movie and just chill out on my couch and eat a bunch of snacks. Hope you guys enjoyed this video today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. No excuses anymore, none. We're not doing it, We're better, it's December. Okay, I'm not waiting for you guys to hit for 2020 for you guys to get it together. No, we're getting it together today. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Until next time.